piece of a thread with two pieces of thread hanging down to soda can, same amount of coke. If I pull, I am using my brain power to stop the can. Stop, and you move, and stop, and now again move and you stop. I told you, stop, I will kill you, stop. And oh, now you stop. I told you, stop, stop, and you move. It's science, not magic. Actually, when I pull, I am creating potential energy, stored energy, and when I release, it converted into kinetic energy, moving energy. But question is, why second can was moving? Actually, it's because energy transfer. Energy transfer from one can to another can is called resonance. Newton's first law: an object in moving stayed moving until a force acts upon it. The can stopped after some time because of friction and gravity. In this simple thread and can activity, we learned many science concepts: Newton's first law, potential energy, kinetic energy, gravity, friction, and resonance. I hope you like this activity. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye.